oil,
the vinegar,
in here, all the way to the little triangle.
and then what happens? So
then we put it together slowly, and then we pat it, and we run away, and then it blasts us off, and then we do the
I think that's it. All right, let's set it up. What is that, Solomon? Baking soda.
Baking soda. We put the baking soda, yeah. We're gonna do the vinegar soon.
What happens when you mix those two?
It's gonna blast off.
We hope.
You put vinegar in it? We gotta put vinegar.
Vinegar!
Vinegar!
This is our rocket fuel. Got the rocket. Got the baking soda. Got to put them together. All right, so I got the rocket in this hand, got the fins on. I'm gonna put this on. Try not to mix them until the end. Now we gotta find the fins. Where'd the fins go?